This classified Mariana Trench footage seemed like just an anomaly, a hollow structure. But the restored deep-sea audio captured a low frequency that shouldn't exist on Earth.
The cellular density of this specimen defies every known law of physics, but the acoustic resonance is what truly terrifies us.
Isolating the damaged deep-sea audio revealed patterns matching a slow macrobiological heart rate. Crushed into the tectonic rock for centuries, yet its core matrix remains fully active. Heavy metals in the enamel prove it consumed not just biomass, but deep-crust minerals. Hoisting the mandible, hydrophones captured an internal echo. The bone acted as a speaker. This calcified tissue reveals micro-vibrations perfectly synchronized with the main acoustic signal. Internal mapping confirmed our worst fears. The skull amplifies subaquatic frequencies. Inside the thoracic chamber, the intense acoustic pressure caused immediate nausea in the crew. The aortic arch is calcified, yet sensors detected fluid moving inside the core valves. It took diamond-tipped drills to breach the outer marrow and place our internal microphones. Breaching the inner marrow chamber, the restored audio completely shifted into a rhythmic groan. We felt the sound vibrating through our boots. This massive structure wasn't fully dead.
The audio we restored isn't an echo of ancient history. It is a continuous, active biological sequence happening right now.
This massive filter organ served as an organic acoustic chamber for deep-sea communication. A sonic pulse caused the jaw to physically contract, almost crushing our deck. Cutting the bone cortex, we realized the entire skeleton is highly conductive to electricity. Giant parasites on the shell carried identical microscopic acoustic nodes in their armor. The sonar playback matched no known animal on Earth. It was a structured biological signal. Suddenly, radios inside the brain cavity began repeating the exact deep-sea camera frequency. These symmetrical interior pathways weren't scarred by time. They were biologically grown waveguides. As high-pressure water cleared sediment, the rhythmic vibrations grew sharper and faster.
The fluid inside this vial is actively reacting to the sound waves. It is not fossilized, it is functionally alive.
The fluid mimicked the exact geometry of the deep-sea sound file, a living blueprint. Every structural alignment confirms this entire entity acted as a macrobiological deep-sea receiver. At midnight, the dry dock resonated violently. Local tectonic tracking sensors went off-scale. The audio wasn't recorded by pure chance. The deep-sea camera was targeted by the broadcast.
The signal was no longer coming from
the trench. It was emitting directly beneath our feet.